Thula badleni, thula badleni. Mfana kagama lo. Welcome to Mozambique Music, a platform where we break our music to like covers with and I'm gonna check it. The message Benderson, give positive feedback, inspire us. Basically, the post on topics and content. What is up, world? We are here and we are back with another one. Yes, we always run it back. We always run it. We are running it back this week. What is up? So as I'm currently recording this, we are sitting on 200, not 200, on 577, y'all. Yeah. Let's run up the numbers, bro. Let's run up the numbers. Make sure you follow me on any of the platform. Some people were complaining, but yeah, dog, you don't have what you call Facebook. Now I do. You can follow me there. You can check out my content there. I haven't posted anything about Zion just yet, but I will. Whatever suggestions that you have, man, make sure that you throw that in the bag, bro. Throw it in the bag. So, as the weekend is we a lot of things happening. Yeah, I think the House of God also had umshato, so we'll just see if they will post anything on their side as well. But for manje, we are rating to inyoni enamapiga is tupa is sinxusa wena Thixo. Yo, sinxusa wena Thixo. So yes, Bazalwane, without wasting you guys' time, let's dive right into it. Yeah. I'll tell me. Listen, everybody. You know, auditorium. You see, an auditorium is a very big place. It's huge, ne? Humongous. So one of the biggest disadvantage about an auditorium, if I said it right, an auditorium is the echo. That thing is so big that it can echo. And yet, inyoni zandiza bazalwane. Them people are flying in that building like it's nobody's business. They filled up the room, bro. They filled up the room. Listen to this. This is as audible as these people can sound. And I'm like, bro, mind you, you know they had all the equipment because which is for this, things like this, so that things sound good, bro. But I'm willing to pay. People who were there in person experience something out of the blue. Hey, Pastor Mbat was across was telling me, was like, brah, best boy. He was like, my dog, it was going down. And I'm like, whoa. Before Sigel out him news reacted he's like, bruh, hit after hit after hit after. Is he lying? No. That shit. Ngicala believers, right? Manje, you do you realize it is about to go down? Uh, 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 oh, oh, oh. disagree. I disagree. The standard that this wedding has set in terms of saying this is only the second. Sisi. Where are also guys? Oh my God! This is going to be a wedding that's going to be spoken about for years to come, bruh. For years to come, yo. Yo, bruh. Hey, to us who didn't even make it. Way. yo. Hey. Ibonile ke maseyikhuphuka injuba inyoni mfana seyalepho. Sayithini olare. Oi. You just can't cut like that. Ay. Ish. Dar. You.
imishado yami lento engishoyo engizoyisho la imqoka kakhulu lapha yakuzongena ufidelity njengamanje kuneyimoto eyivimbile bazoyithowisha abazalwane bahambe nazo ngeke sikwazi ukuphuma ngokuyicela le owazi ukuthi upake eduze kwe-entrance sisizeni uzophuma namoto fidelity kumile it's a safety issue njengamanje sekuyinkinga kakhulu uma unemoto epake kabi ngiyacela sizonikela njengamanje isizathu esenza ukuthi ngibize inyoni kanje njalo akanikela ngawo ebhodini sathethe sobathina yena bazalana okhulumayo uthulani shongo
My dog, because I say, yo, yeah, ne. If videos of believers, AI is all. I said to you guys, I said, and I'm still standing on what I've been saying. I said 60%, if not 60, if not 80% of the music that you hear from gospel is taken from Zion. And I said more than half of people that have joined most other churches, majority of people background yabo is Zion. I'm not lying to you. I know a lot of people about Zion. I know a lot of people about IPC Babuye Zion. I know a lot of people about Jonu Wese Babuye Zion. I know a lot of people about Suga Epostodi, Eba Suga Zion by Jonu Postodi. I know prominent people who are some of the best singers, Epostodi, Basuga Zion. I know people with the Zion background, bro, head to toe. Ebase kwamanye amabandla and other forms of Christianity, bro. I know a lot of people abasonte Grace Pastor Mkuba. I can name them. Mount Zion himself, Mount Zion, Mkwena, Wando Zondo. Who's this other guy? Lo, Mboro. Listen, bro. Lo. I know gang people who went from Zion to Islam. Bruh, a lot. I'm not Christianity. Talking about Zion in particular, I know a lot. So when I say to you, oh, Zion is so powerful, people think I'm kidding. Seeing this man here proves my point. Because a lot of people, because listen, bro, a lot of people, bro. That is why I need the guys. Zion needs to get back to mainstream media. There is no way Zion has so much influence, and yet we are slacking back in terms of music and awards, digital platform. We are sailing lapans, knowing very well good some of the best singers in most genres, in anything that has nothing to do with religion, but we are Zion. And we are Bazalwan.
emuva sobona nabantu abazoqoqa
That was it. Nah, bro. This video steady proved my point of what I was saying, bro. The fact that Zion is so strong, Zion is so popular. I don't know what happened. I don't know what went wrong. But we are here now. We are here to fix them. We are here to return Zion back to his glory days, bro. I understand. And I cannot talk about other um uh, churches. I can't. But no, Kulmela nje Zion specifically. Say that Zion, the volume that Zion has been turned off. We need to bring that back. Listen, I will put my life on the line to make sure Gutu Zion goes back to TV. Ngikhathele, ayikabi bazalwane nizongixolela. Ngikhathele boJoyous, khathele. Jabuhlongwane, I'm tired. Oh, I'm tired. And the music is boring, bro. It is boring. It's just too much. Man, I'm saying kakhulu, man. That's why ngazange survive eGrace. No, when I left, ngaye Grace, attended 1 month. Nakhona 3 Sundays, ngathi angibuyeli. This is not my vibe. Vibe la nyawo. Awuzwa. Angithanda. So you can come for my neck. I don't care, bro. I don't think there's any music. I don't think there's any religious music that is as good as Zion. Every person who listen to gospel, who say they are so-called gospel listeners, they also have 1, 2, or 3 Zion albums, not songs, albums. I'm telling you. I am telling you. So in the favorite word of who? Me, Street Cupid, I'm signing out. Adios.